Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Abhijit and in this video we are going to discuss about a deletion in a multidimensional tree. In my previous video I discussed about what exactly the multidimensional tree is and how to perform the insertion in a multidimensional tree. You can find the link in the description. Starts with a deletion in the multidimensional tree. So the first step is to search for the node to be deleted. For that purpose, we have to recursively traverse down and search for the point to be deleted. Here the searching is similar to the binary search tree except that we have to search according to the dimension. So if a particular node is available in the list, then there are three possible cases for the deletion in multidimensional tree. Case number 1, the node to be deleted has no child. In that case, we have to simply delete the node. For example, this is the multi-dimensional tree. This is a two-dimensional tree and we want to delete a node 30 comma 40 from it. So it is observed that a 30 comma 40 is a leaf node. It means it has no other child, so we can directly delete the node which has no child. So simply delete that node, and after the deletion of 30 comma 40 our tree looks like 25 50 as it is, 3 comma 25 40 comma 60, and the last node is deleted and a last node is removed from our multidimensional tree. This is the case 1, when the node to be deleted has no child. Case number 2 is a node to be deleted has a right child as not null. It means that we want to delete a node that has a right child. So in that case, the first step is to find the minimum of current node dimension in the right subtree. So the next step is to replace the node with the above found minimum and recursively delete the minimum in the subtree. I am going to explain the two step by considering a given example. So consider a given example. In that case, suppose I want to delete a 25 comma 15. So 25 comma 15 is a particular node which has a right child as a not null. So if a node has a right child as a not null, then we have to find a current node's dimension. So first step is to identify the dimension in which the node to be deleted is present. So as it is a two-dimensional tree, so 25 comma 15 belongs in a x direction. Second step is we have to find the minimum of the current node in the right subtree, minimum of the current node in the right subtree for the value of x. Why x? Because our node is present in a x dimension. So the value are in a right subtree of x are 40, 30 and 28. So 40, 30 and 28, the minimum is 28. So we have to replace the 25 comma 50 with our new node, that is 28 comma 17. So the final tree after the deletion of the node 25 comma 15 is we have replaced the 25 comma 15 with a 28 comma 17 and remaining tree is as it is. This is the second case. The third case is the node to be deleted has a left child as not null. So in that case, find the minimum of current node dimension in the left subtree. In the case 2, we have find the minimum dimension in the right subtree. In the case 3, we have to find a minimum of left subtree. Then replace the node with found above and minimum and recursively delete minimum in a left subtree, and important is make a left subtree as a right child of a current node. I am explaining this with an example. So suppose this is a two-dimensional tree is given and we want to delete a node 40 comma 60. So uh, check for the 40 comma 60. In 40 comma 60, the case 1, a 40 comma 60 has a no child. No, it is not fit in a case 1. Case 2 is 40 comma 60, the node to be deleted has a right child as not null. No, here the right child is null. It means it is applicable for the case 3. So case 3 is find the minimum of current node dimension. So first step is to calculate the dimension. So the 40 comma 60 present in a y dimension. Now we have to find a minimum of current nodes dimension in a left subtree. 40 comma 60, the left subtree is 30 comma 40 and 28 comma 47. We have to find the minimum in y dimension. The minimum in a y dimension is one node having a value 40 and second one having a value 47. The minimum value is 40. So we have to replace the 40 comma 60 with a node 30 comma 40. And the last point is make a new left subtree as a right child. The left subtree of 30 comma 40 is 28 comma 47. So we have to shift it, we have to make it 28 comma 47 as a right child. So after applying all the steps and deleting the node 40 comma 60, our tree looks like this. In that case, we have removed the node 40 comma 60. It is replaced by the node which is having a minimum value in left subtree. So it is replaced by a 40 30 comma 40, and the left subtree becomes a right child. The left subtree, that is 28 comma 47, becomes the right child for the node 30 comma 40. These are the three cases that are applicable while the deletion of a multidimensional tree. Now look at the example. Consider a given two-dimensional tree and we want a node 35 comma 60 to be deleted from the tree. So the first step is to identify the dimensions of the tree. So I have mentioned here the 35 comma 60 for the x dimension, then 20 comma 45 for the y dimensions, then x y x y. How to calculate this dimension I have already discussed in my previous video. So there are three possible cases for the node deletion in a multidimensional tree. The three cases are: case number 1, a node has a no child; case number 2 is node has a right child as not null; and number 3 is node has a left child as not null. So identify in which particular case our example belongs. So we want to delete a node 35 comma 60. So 35 comma 60 has a no child. No, it means case 1 is not applicable. Case 2 is node has a right child as not null. Yes, 35 comma 60 has a right child not null. It means it comes under the category of case 2. So what does the case 2 says? A case 2 says first identify the dimension of the node to be deleted, and then next is replace it with a minimum value in that dimension in the right subtree. So first step is to identify the dimension of the node. So it is observed that the 35 comma 60 is present in x dimension. So 35 comma 60 present in x dimension. So we have to find the minimum value in a right subtree. Minimum value of what? Minimum value of the x coordinate. So in right subtree, the minimum value of x coordinate is 50. So we have to replace 35 comma 60 with 50 comma 30. This is because the minimum value of x in a right subtree is for this node, that is a 50 comma 30. So we have to replace a 35 comma 60 with a 50 comma 30. But if we observe that a 50 comma 30 is not a leaf node, so again we have to apply a case 1 or 2 or 3 for the scenario, for this scenario. So I have considered this scenario separately. It belongs to the third category because first it has no 50 comma 30 has no child. No, it not belong to case 1. The case 2 has a right child as not null. Here the right child is null. It means it does not belong to case 2 also. So last case is case 3. So what does case 3 says? Case 3 says first identify the dimension of the node to be deleted. We want to separate 50 comma 30 because we want to separate 50 comma 30 and replace it with a 35 comma 60. So the 50 comma 30 place in a y direction, a y dimensions. So that's why it is placed in a y dimension. Step number 2, replace it with a minimum value in the dimension in left subtree. The minimum dimension of y, the minimum value of y here is 70 comma 20 and 60 comma minimum is 10. So we want to replace, we have to replace 50 comma 30 with 60 comma 10, and the next step is make a left subtree as a right child of that node. So we have to replace 50 comma 30 with 60 comma 10 and make 70 comma 20 as a right child of 60 comma 10. So after the applying all the three steps, our tree, our this particular tree is look like this. Here we remove the node 50 comma 30 and 60, it is replaced by the 60 comma 10, and the left child becomes a right child. The left child becomes the right child. Now we got a 50 comma 30. Now we want to delete a 35 comma 60 to replace the 35 comma 60 with this node, that is 50 comma 30. At the same time, we have already performed the operation on this tree also. So the 60 comma 10 will be take place in place of 50 comma 30. So 60 comma 10 will be in place of 50 comma 30. So the overall tree after the deletion of 35 comma 60 will look like this. Here the 50 comma 30 move to the in place of 35 comma 60. So 50 comma 30 move in place of 35 comma 60, and we already solved this tree. We got 60 10 and having a right child of 70 20. So this is the our final solution. So this is how the deletion is performed on a multi-dimensional tree. Subscribe to my channel and please like and share this video.